Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you're having a nice day. It is quite a dull day today, but I decided not to sleep on my laurels and go out and do some of the chores that I had on my list for some time now. Now is very good time to prune down your hydrangeas as well. I left them last year because I did want those little florets. I mean, they don't look as much anymore, but I left them over the Christmas because I do like to keep the dry flowers and spray them with different colors like silver or gold to decorate for Christmas. But it is now time to get rid of them. It does have some new shoots and I will get you a little bit closer. So what I can do now is to get rid of the old growth, because there is quite a lot of it, and chop it down to nice healthy buds. Hydrangeas do flower on the last year's growth, so I won't definitely cut all of it because I do want to keep flowers, but you do not have to be scared of it if you don't know how to prune properly. The good thing is that you cannot really go wrong. The only bad thing that can happen to you is that it won't flower as profusely as it should or as it would on the last year growth. So let's not talk about it anymore and let's do some work here. So I told you there is quite a lot of new growth. So you see there are new shoots and sets of leaves here already. So I'll keep those on and I'll just get rid of the old looking wood. And there is new buds. Gosh, there is a new bud here and obviously leaves here, so I will cut just above it. This one is pretty much all dead, so I will get rid of it and I'll cut just right above these new sets of leaves here. Just one more thing, it is now mid-end of March and obviously we will be getting frost quite late again this year, as we do every year. So end of April, even beginning of May, we definitely will get some frost. So if you are worried about that, what you can do is just to cut maybe about 2 centimeters above where you want to cut, and in that case, if the frost hits, just those little bits above the buds will get frozen, and if you want to get rid of them, then you might just chop this little bit of wood and they should be fine. Yeah, so this one's all dead. So as you can see, if I track it down, it's right about here. So I'll get rid of all of this old stuff. This one should be fine. And also what you're doing, you are kind of making sure that you are creating nice shape out of the plant as well. So kind of a goblet shape is the best. Make sure you don't keep a lot of growth in the middle so the plant has enough space to breathe as well. So let's do this one here. This one right here, and I will keep just a little bit, as I said, about 1.5-2 centimeters above the bud. So if it gets frosted, it will get frosted here, and then I'll just chop off the bits here. Same here. This one again, all dead down to here. And if you find there is any disease on it, anything dead, just chop it off. There is no point for keeping that. And as well, if you do want to wait for pruning a little bit later in the year, you might as well do that if you feel worried that your plant might not make it. Again, I have to be very careful not to be treading or on my bulbs. This one came just here. Okay, so this is what it looks like after it's been pruned. You can see there is pretty much just a new growth left. I cut off all the old growth, anything that was dead. Again, I'm really hoping this was helpful. I hope you will get your Hydrangea Macrophylla soon as well. If you leave it a bit later, that's fine too. Please do like this video if you liked it, if it gave you any value, and do not forget to subscribe if you are new here. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye then.